While you can't speed up the natural rate at which your hair grows, you can certainly do things to help it along its way. Step 1 is to look after your scalp as you do your face. The scalp is simply an extension of the skin on your forehead. If you have a flaky scalp, you should choose a targeted antimicrobial flaky itchy shampoo. If you have fine hair, you should use a bodybuilding shampoo that adds volume throughout the length of your hair. Medium textured hair should use a shampoo that balances the moisture needs of newer roots and older and drier ends. And if you have coarse hair, choose a shampoo that has stronger moisturizing properties. Step 2 is to look after your general health and diet. Your hair is made of protein, and protein is what forms the bulk of your hair, so it's really important to eat enough in your daily diet. Complex carbohydrates give your hair the energy it needs to grow, so a perfect meal would include a protein such as eggs mixed with a complex carbohydrate such as whole grain rice or pasta. It can be really difficult to get the nutrients your hair needs through diet alone because it isn't essential tissue. The best supplements are ones that contain iron, zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and vitamin C. How you treat your hair when styling is also really important. Excessive brushing, excessive heat can damage the hair and cause it to break, which can thin the appearance of your mid-lengths and ends. Using the incorrect brush is probably one of the most common causes of hair breakage and damage. The best are ones like these that have rounded plastic prongs so they don't scratch the hair or the scalp. You should always brush your hair starting at the ends and gently and gradually working your way up. If you start from the top, you're likely to snap through strands. So start at your ends and then gently ease through the knots and work your way up. Step 4 is to strengthen your hair with weekly use of an intensive pre-shampoo conditioner. Pre-shampoo conditioners help to moisturize your hair. It isn't oil, but it's water content that helps to keep your hair strong and elastic, and pre-shampoo conditioners draw water into the hair shaft. It can be difficult to set aside the time to use a pre-shampoo conditioner, but actually they're really easy to multitask with. Personally, I apply elasticizer before I go swimming, before I go to the gym. I'll even sleep with it in. Those are my 4 tips to keeping your hair long and strong. Thank you for watching.